So now we will see like how to link resources to our activities in Primavera. So I have a set of activities. So I'm just selecting everything by holding shift key in the keyboard and right click over the activities. Then again you will be visible with assign. Here you will be available with the resources option. So just click that and you can just search for the resource that you want. So for me, like I am okay with this resource, so just selecting it and then you need to click this plus icon. So in this manner you can able to just assign resources easily for all the activities in a single click. So which means that one particular resources that I am going to use for all the activity. So otherwise you need to like click the individual activity and you need to go for add resource and you need to do many things. So this is the easiest way of assigning the resources. So the same you can select and go for right click, go for assign resource and then you click remove. So this is for removing the resources all together in a single click as well. So you can assign any particular resources to any of the activities and you can able to remove all the resources in a single click. So now we will see like how much the budgeted unit, total budgeted unit. So the resource column showing the resources. So the A resource that I am going to use for all the activities and I'm just going for right click column, customizing the column, go for find if you can't able to search. So or you can directly go to unit and where you can able to search by yourself. So I'm just going for budgeted labor unit. So I'm just putting after resource. So you need to select and you need to click this and then you can click OK. Now you can able to see the budgeted labor units. So every day like 24, 32, it depends on the original duration. So 3 into 8, 24. So every day this resource going to work for 8 hours. So now we will see like how to change the budgeted labor units all together in a single click. So for that we need to make use of tools, global change option. So when you click that global change option, you will be available with this window where you can able to just go for a new global change. You can able to change the name. For example, new labor units. So where we need to go for subject area, activity resource assignments. So now we can able to just go for typing R in the keyboard and we can able to just make use of resource ID name is not equal to, which means like is not equal to like blank. And then we can just click then option and click add where we can able to just choose budgeted labor unit equal to again budgeted labor unit so the operator we can able to choose plus minus into or division. Now I'm just going for into multiplication into how much you can just click custom and you can able to put the value. For example, I want to make this as like 1.5 times more, which means like 8 hours it will become 12 hours every day 1.5 times. So you click OK. Now you can able to see it is coming under global change. Now you can do see now I'm just showing this budgeted labor unit. At the same time I'm just going for new labor unit and then I'm just going for apply change. When you're clicking apply change, it will show you the report where you can able to see the old value and also the new value. So 24 into 1.5 it became 36. So like that, if you are okay with the changes, then you can go for commit changes. Otherwise cancel changes. Even you can able to save to file. This notepad file we can able to save for future reference. Now I'm just going for commit changes. Would you like to save the log file? If you putting yes, it will be saved as a separate notepad file. So you can name the file and you can save it. See, like this you can able to change the budget unit with a single click. Now you can able to see from 192 it became 288. So we can able to see in resource assignment. So resource usage spreadsheet. So where you can able to see the details. So every day from 8 hours it became 12 hours. So like this we can able to make use of global change.